Hey, what's up guys? I got the 3D ROKiT Pro, the IO Pro from ROKiT. We're gonna open up a 3D video right here from our files. And I got AT right here, Alter Tech, standing by. Let me see, I'm going to movies right now. We're gonna open up Black Panther 3D film, and then I'm just gonna put it anywhere here and flip the camera. I wanna get some impressions from my boy right here, so he could check out that 3D display. Tell me what your impressions are.
Oh, you have the Black Panther. Oh shoot, it is 3D.
So that's 3D. This side makes it brighter when you go up. Wait, let me see. Boom.
That's the volume.
That's the brightness.
Holy crap. So this is like the full 3D effect, right?
So that's the 3D without the glasses.
So what's the name of this phone?
That's the ROKiT IO 3D Pro or Pro 3D.
Yeah, how much does it cost?
For that version, it was like $299. For the lower version, it's like $199.
Holy crap! Like it's legit 3D.
4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 of internal storage.
Like you guys know those holographic stickers and stuff, or like those holographic.
Like the red hydrogen, like that.
I never really even got the chance to try the red hydrogen. So.
Or the Nintendo 3D DS or something.
Yeah, like the Nintendo 3DS. But since this is actually like a legit movie, I'm not sure if you guys can actually see it. Like, you know, it's like a Nintendo 3DS with the 3D effect, but with like a full quad. Was it quad HD or 1080p?
That's 1080p right there.
1080p display.
How's the brightness outdoors?
I can definitely, you know, it's decent.
Okay.
I mean, this is a dark scene right now.
Yeah, I tried to turn the brightness up, so it's probably just like a dark,
the quality
scene.
is pretty damn good. I can see like, you know, Black Panther. I can see like all this, like the pores on his face and stuff. Like, it's pretty impressive.
That's sick, man.
And the thing is, you don't need no glasses, 3D glasses to actually view this. It's just.
You think this is a niche product, or you think like average consumers would actually go out and buy this?
Okay, that's a good question, because when I'm playing Nintendo 3DS, I don't use the 3D effect because sometimes I just get like the motion sickness sometimes, or it gets kind of in the way of actually playing the damn game. But you know, for watching a movie and stuff, I might actually use it more often than on the Nintendo 3DS.
And you can't watch movies on the 3DS?
I don't think you can.
Okay.
I might be wrong, but I've never seen someone watch a movie on it. Wow, so this is very impressive. Alright, man, so I give this phone a win. How much was it, you said?
$299.
$299. I definitely give this phone a win. So, if you're into watching movies, like, you know, like a lot of people, they got like that security job, security guard job, and you got sitting down all day, you watch movies, and you got a second job, whatever. You want something to great viewing experience, something up a notch, that's actually pretty impressive. But for a phone, just to get that for watching movies and stuff, $299. I think it's like a nice. I would say it's like kind of like a nice like niche.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. Is it a niche product?
For me, yeah, man. Sorry, I gotta say, but yeah, I don't find myself. I'm not really much of a movie watcher on the smartphones and stuff. But if you are, man, that's like the best movie experience I've seen on a smartphone. Honestly, coming from the Galaxy S10 and stuff, the 3D effect is very impressive. So that's my take on it. So
good looking out, man.